Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door shelf in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. This door shelf is located at the bottom of the left side refrigerator door. It's used for additional storage of produce. The most common reason to replace the door shelf is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or keeps the food in. To get it apart, we need to open the left side door. To remove the door shelf, we need to push it up and out. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door shelf, we need to install this ridge into the groove right there. So bring it over, place it in, push it in and down so it locks. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.